Is your 2023-2024 Chevy Silverado key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The process is straightforward and requires minimal tools. The 2023-2024 Chevy Silverado key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. These CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. You can expect to pay between $1 and $5 per battery. To avoid potential issues like short circuits or connectivity problems, make sure to purchase a genuine brand or a compatible lithium coin cell battery. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll only need a few basic items. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin works well to pry open the fob case. A piece of tape can help protect the plastic casing from scratches during the process. And of course, make sure you have a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery ready before you begin. These simple tools are all you need for a successful battery replacement. First, locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently pry the case open. Once open, carefully remove the old CR32 battery, noting the polarity plus-minus orientation. Install the new battery in the same orientation. Finally, snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. After replacing the battery, test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and remote start buttons near your Silverado. The LED indicator on the fob should light up when a button is pressed. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the case is fully closed. In some cases, especially after software updates like version 2024.1, the key fob might require reprogramming. If the buttons are unresponsive even with a new battery, try cycling the ignition by turning the key to the on position, waiting about 10 seconds, then turning it off. If problems persist, you might need to visit a dealer for professional reprogramming, which can cost between $50 and $100. Replacing the key fob battery yourself costs only a few dollars for the battery. Dealerships typically charge $75 to $150 for the same service, including reprogramming. Opting for DIY can save you significant money. Consumer Reports data shows 70% of Silverado owners choose the DIY route. Looking ahead, key fobs are evolving with rechargeable batteries and smartphone integration. While current Silverado models use CR2032 batteries with a lifespan of 1 to 2 years, affected by frequent use and software updates, future models may adopt NFC or Bluetooth technology, potentially phasing out physical batteries entirely.